Hola, ¿qué tal? Soy Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to tell the time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Previously, I made a video about vowels and numbers. I think that video would be beneficial for you to watch if you aren't very familiar with the numbers. In order to master the time, you'll need to know really well the numbers from 1 to 60, in case you want to be precise with the minutes. Let's begin. Okay, first of all, we need to know that o'clock is en punto. A quarter past is y cuarto. Half past is y media. And a quarter to is menos cuarto. I'm going to be a bit more detailed. En punto is o'clock, and it means on the dot. Y cuarto is a quarter past, and it means and a quarter. Y media is half past, and it means and a half. Menos cuarto is a quarter to, and it means literally minus a quarter. Alright, so to tell the time, we need to know that when it refers to 1, we always say es la. And for the rest of the hours, as in from 2 to 12, we will say son las. Let's see an example. It's 1 o'clock. Es la una en punto. It's 2 o'clock. Son las dos en punto. It's 7 o'clock. Son las siete en punto. So we only use es la for 1, and for the rest of the hours we use son las. Okay, let's practice this a bit more. It's a quarter past 1. Es la una y cuarto. It's half past 1. Es la una y media. It's a quarter to 2. Son las dos menos cuarto. It's 2 o'clock. Son las dos en punto. It's a quarter past 2. Son las dos y cuarto. It's half past 2. Son las dos y media. It's a quarter to 3. Son las tres menos cuarto. It's 12 o'clock. Son las 12 en punto. It's a quarter past 12. Son las 12 y cuarto. It's half past 12. Son las 12 y media. It's a quarter to 1. Es la una menos cuarto. It's 6 o'clock. Son las 6 en punto. It's a quarter past 6. Son las 6 y cuarto. It's half past 6. Son las 6 y media. It's a quarter to 7. Son las 7 menos cuarto. Very good, well done. When I explain the time to my students, some of them ask how come 1:45, a quarter to 2, is son las dos menos cuarto instead of es la una menos cuarto. This is because 1:45 is referring to 2, a quarter to 2. Therefore, 12:45 is a quarter to 1, es la una menos cuarto. I just wanted to clarify this in case you thought it was confusing. We don't tend to say minutes at the end when telling the time, same as in English. However, you can say it if you wish. Let's practice a bit more and I'll say minutes only in the first example. It's 10 minutes past 1. Es la una y 10 minutos. It's 20 past 2. Son las 2 y 20. It's 3:35. Son las 3 y 35. It's a quarter to 5. Son las 5 menos cuarto. It's 10 past 11. Son las 11 y 10. It's 10 to 1. Es la una menos 10. It's 5 past 2. Son las 2 y 5. It's a quarter past 4. Son las 4 y cuarto. It's 5 o'clock. Son las 5 en punto. It's 20 to 1. Es la una menos 20. It's 20 to 2. Son las 2 menos 20. Very good, muy bien. Now I'll show you how to tell the time digitally. It's 7:38. Son las 7:38. It's 9:54. Son las 9:54. It's 10:08. Son las 10:08. It's 1:42. Es la 1:42. It's 7:57. Son las 7:57. You might have already noticed that in Spanish, when we tell the time, we say first the minutes, whereas in English it's the other way around. For instance, it's 3:25. Son las 3:25. Alright, so that's all for now. I hope you've enjoyed this video and find it useful. Telling the time takes practice, so don't worry if you need to watch this video a few times in order to be able to tell the time correctly. So relax and be patient. Practice makes perfect. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hasta luego y muchas gracias. Adiós.